Sunflower oil begins its journey long before it reaches the factory floor.
Utilizing advanced machinery, the harvest is gathered efficiently. A closer look reveals the intricate process of large trucks transport the harvest across the highway to the industrial complex. This is where the sunflower seed processing takes place.
The journey of the sunflower seed begins on the open road, culminating here at the processing facility, where they are stored in these massive silos.
Advanced storage solutions, ensuring quality from farm to facility. The sunflower seeds are carefully unloaded from the truck into our large hoppers, initiating the extraction process.
The quality control process begins with meticulous sampling. Every batch is analyzed using advanced. Meticulous sampling is the first step. The seeds are then analyzed by a near-infrared spectrometer, providing rapid, accurate results.
The sunflower seeds are tracked along the belt before entering the initial cleaning stages, where shaker tables and air classifiers remove debris.
Our advanced cleaning process uses vibrating screens and targeted air remove debris and
Contamination is a persistent threat in modern agriculture. That is why our process demands absolute precision, from seed to mechanism.
Purity is paramount. That's why every seed undergoes a rigorous cleaning process, managed by synchronized precision machinery. The cleaned seeds are transported directly into the large, enclosed dehulling machine for processing.
As the cleaned seeds move along the conveyor, they are guided directly into the large, enclosed industrial dehulling machine. The outer shell, or pericarp, is the hard protective layer surrounding the seed. After mechanical impact precisely fractures the shells, advanced air separation technology is used to whisk away the lighter hulls. The dehulling process, separating the kernel from the shell using optimized airflow. The air separation system efficiently blows away the lighter hulls, leaving behind the clean, heavier sunflower kernels from discarded hulls to a vibrant golden drop. Our advanced refining process ensures unmatched purity and quality. The sunflower kernels enter the large industrial roller mill, where the crushing process begins, transforming them into thin flakes. Here we see the flakes entering the warming zone, where gentle steam aids in the conditioning process. The sunflower flakes are carefully transported along the conveyor system into the heating chamber. Here, through controlled heating, the oil cells relax. This initiates the moisture evaporation process, crucial for preserving nutritional quality.
The conditioning process involves gentle heating, which softens the oil cells.
The heart of the operation lies in the screw press, where optimized pressure transforms the raw flakes, maximizing extraction efficiency. The robust screw press begins the extraction process, utilizing immense pressure to separate the valuable oils from the sunflower flakes. As the material is drawn into the screw press, the decreasing volume results in significant compression, generating high pressure within the chamber. This cutaway view shows the granular material being compressed by the rotating screw. The highlighted areas indicate the buildup of intense pressure and heat. The fresh golden stream of pure sunflower oil. What remains is the result of the first press, crude sunflower oil. Its dark, cloudy appearance is due to phospholipids and other compounds. A truly
This microscopic view reveals the complex composition of crude oil, highlighting suspended particles,
The crude oil composition is complex. As shown in this detailed microscopic view,
The oil cake is efficiently transported along the conveyor system, moving towards the next stage of extraction.
The oil cake is now moved to the next section for additional extraction, maximizing the overall oil recovery from the batch.
Our closed-loop solvent system ensures high-efficiency recirculation. As you can see, the pressure is optimal.
The crude oil flows directly from the pipelines into these massive distillation units, beginning the complex refining process. This thick, viscous crude is the lifeblood of the facility. It's now entering the refining section,
where it will be transformed. The introduction of mild acids and water initiates the separation process, causing the gums and phospholipids. The high-speed centrifuge utilizes extreme centrifugal force to separate contaminants. The alkaline solution is precisely added to the oil, beginning the neutralization process. The refinement process involves adding an alkaline solution to the oil. This effectively neutralizes the free fatty acids present in the mixture. After the initial purification stage, the oil retains this dark, slightly murky hue, indicating the presence of remaining contaminants.
Inside the vacuum tank, natural clay agents are introduced. These agents bind to the color pigments, causing
Introduced to the oil. The clay particles utilize adsorption. The result is pure liquid gold. Our advanced filtration system ensures that every drop of this is the golden standard. Our pure sunflower oil undergoes a transformation to achieve this perfect clarity.
As the oil flows into the deodorization unit, it is met with high-temperature steam.
As the steam passes through the heated oil under vacuum, it effectively strips away the volatile odor compounds. Under high vacuum and heat, injected steam strips the volatile odor compounds from the oil, carrying them to the surface. This is the final sample collection for quality assurance. The refined sunflower oil undergoes rigorous testing before it is approved for use. Maintenance. We conduct rigorous testing, including color analysis, moisture content, and precise pH levels. From the moment the clear golden oil leaves the tanks, it is swiftly transported through pipes to the high-speed bottling facility.
rapidly transported through the pipes towards the high-speed automated bottling line you see here.
Watch as advanced robotics clean, fill, cap, and label thousands of bottles per hour with unparalleled precision.
From high-pressure cleaning to precision filling and rapid-fire labeling, our automated lines handle every stage with unparalleled efficiency.
The throughput is holding steady at 98%.
Good, let's keep monitoring the pressure levels on line 3.
Wow, this turned out amazing. It's so good. We have to make this next week too.
From our warehouse to your home, we deliver quality across the globe.
From a single seed, through precise engineering and careful refinement, we unlock nature's liquid gold. Through meticulous engineering and precise refinement, the simple seed is transformed into pure liquid gold.
This is the remarkable journey of sunflower oil inside a factory, where science,